We students of Natural Science Department, KU City Kulakada, going to give a brief description about National Girl Child Day. The happiest moment is when your daughter is born, and the happiest journey is to see her grow. National Girl Child Day was first initiated in 2008 by the Ministry of Women and Child Development. The main objective behind is to highlight the inequalities faced by girls to promote awareness, including the rights of a girl child, the importance of education, health, and nutrition. The National Girl Child Day is celebrated in India every year on January 24. This day is to spread awareness about the gender-based discrimination that girls face in our country and to bring change in the attitude towards girls.
In many parts of India, the birth of girl child is not welcomed. Right from her arrival, she faces discrimination at every stages of life. Female feticide and gender inequality are another major issues. The main objectives behind celebrating the National Girl Child Day are to provide support and opportunities to the girl child, promoting awareness about rights of the girl child, and to increase awareness on importance of girls' education, health and nutrition.
Steps were taken by the government to improve the condition of the girl child. The Indian government took various steps through various announcements. Some of them are: gender detection by clinics in pregnancy has been declared illegal by the government. Child marriage is prohibited. To save the girl child, the government has launched the Save the Girl Child scheme. The situation of girl child education in India has improved through the free and necessary primary school. To improve the condition of the girl child in India, the Indian government has reserved 1/3 of the seats in the local government for women. Dowry Act has also been brought by law to increase the status of women and employment opportunities. The 5-year plan has been implemented to bring attention to the situation of education in backward states of the country.
The day is marked by various events and campaigns on Save the Girl Child, child sex ratios, and creating a healthy and safe environment for every girl child. No doubt, the step of the Government of India to celebrate the National Girl Child Day is an improvement mission for the young girls and also promotion of the significance of girls as a child. Girls should be treated equally and should get all the opportunities in our society for the welfare of the nation as a whole. We should understand the importance of girls and give them proper respect in the world. Also, the boy and girl should never be discriminated against by thinking differently in the name of the ability. Without a girl child in your family, you cannot have prosperity, happiness, and glory. Always respect her and care for her. Thank you.